Hi everyone. So today I am going to be talking a little bit about karmic backlogs. So in a lot of different schools there are different definitions of karma, but for the purpose of this video and to understand how we deal or we talk about karma is to understand that karma for us is a mechanism of completion. It is very simply put the reversal of experiences. So for instance, if at some point you have been a very power hungry person who's been very arrogant and extremely misusing his or her power or authority, the reversal of experience according to karma demands that you will now maybe choose to go through the experience of helplessness or that of playing a humble docile little person. Okay, so very roughly put, it's a reversal of experiences. If you've been in one end of the spectrum, then to complete this experience you have to flip the coin and also go through the opposite experience. Yes, now in itself, to be very honest, karma can pass off like this if we just let it. But where the backlog comes in, okay, or where there is a need for clearance is when, because or in this reversal of experience, we get stuck in the same loop. Okay, so if there are repetitive patterns in your life that are happening which are not going, even if you are aware of them, like, you know, people constantly rejecting you or abandoning you or treating you a certain way, understand that more often than not this could happen because you could be carrying a karmic backlog of rejecting people in the past at some point, or abandoning people at past in some point, or even making them feel the way they are now making you feel. Yeah, so karmic backlog generally comes with three kinds of emotions. One is guilt, the other is regret, and the third is judgment. Okay, now guilt is generally when you should have not done something but you went ahead and did it. Okay, regret is when you should have done something but you didn't do it. And judgment comes from a space when you feel someone else should or should not have done that but they anyway did, and you passed a judgment. Now these three emotions is actually what generates the karmic backlog. If you can work around these emotions, it will begin to shift the repetitive patterns that you see in the here and now. So I'm going to give one example of how to devise these statements, and maybe that will help you also work with your individual patterns. Okay, so for instance, you have the current repetitive pattern in your life is that you feel people are constantly abandoning you. Okay, so the statements that you can start saying to yourself is: 1, I forgive myself for abandoning others in the past or for rejecting others in the past. Okay, you can also work with the guilt of abandoning others in the past is my soul's love. The regret of abandoning others in the past is my soul's love, and my judgment of those who abandon is my soul's love. Yeah, so try these statements, do it for any repetitive pattern that you feel or see in your space to reduce the charge or dissipate the charge of this karmic backlog that we could be carrying. Yeah, so 4 statements: guilt, regret, judgment, and forgiveness. Please let me know how that goes, and I hope that helps.